Well, you can hear the birds singing. Again, this Mason Council, White Lodge, the local mafias, the local mob. And that one had eye on it. You can see Granswick, Crown Chicken Managers, Garth Scott and Deborah, Tricky Ricky Martin. A real cutting room jigsaw traps, only get your throat slit like a chicken's neck. Very deadly serial killer bird flu virus in this Norfolk, UK. Simon Bailey Don't Cry, his blonde host plainclothes lover, not true detective. So Granswick, Crown Chicken Managers, Garth Scott and Deborah, Tricky Ricky Martin.